Hi and welcome back. I am back with another tip from our social media for small business book, and this time I'm going to share with you a quick 4-step framework for LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is one of the best tools out there to build, to connect with and then to build and nurture relationships with other people. And business and life, for that matter, is all about relationships. Business is definitely all about relationships, and it's also, I've mentioned this before, it's our theme for this year is relationships. And LinkedIn is a great tool to help you build relationships. Now, when it comes to LinkedIn, a lot of people are using LinkedIn not very well. And they often think that LinkedIn is like Tinder, where you connect with someone and then you ask straight for a conversion. And that's not how you want to use LinkedIn. You want to use LinkedIn more like old school dating, where you connect with someone and then you nurture people and you maybe have virtual coffee, you connect, you share interesting information, and then potentially after a little while, depending on the person, there might be some sort of a conversion later. And this is really, really, really important to see it that way, because those approaches where, and I'm sure if you use LinkedIn, you probably have an inbox full of people spamming you with their offers and just making a first contact that says something like, hi, I'm Julia and I'm amazing and my business is amazing and I think you should work with us. That's not a very good approach. So the 4 steps that I recommend that you use instead, and again, you're welcome to grab the book. It's on page, this framework is on page 146, and it will be in more detail. I do want to give you the summary really quick right now. The 4 steps are: first, it starts with a connection. Secondly, you do nurturing. Fourth, you might you get a conversion, and number 4, you continue the relationship. So the first one, connection. I'll give you a quick summary for each of them. Connection, make sure that when you connect with people on LinkedIn, you make it personal. Don't send a generic thing out and don't make it all about you, like the example I mentioned before. Number 2, you then want to nurture these relationships. So you want to make sure that you send useful information. Maybe you might even move the conversation from online to offline. Maybe you have a virtual coffee, and that goes into step number 3. Step number 3 I mentioned is conversion, where you have some sort of a transaction happening, whether that is getting into a meeting with the person or a presentation or taking them for lunch or dinner to talk about their business and how you can potentially help them. Or it could be a sale also, some sort of a next step conversion. And then the last step, relationship, I mentioned that before, is all about now nurturing these relationships. Even if they've already been one of your customers and they might not return as a customer or client again, maybe they know someone. They might know, well, most likely they will know people. And if they were a great client or customer of yours, they most likely know people that are also great. And so you want to stay in touch with them and nurture the relationship for as long as possible. So those are the 4 steps when it comes to using LinkedIn effectively. And if you would love to know more, I love LinkedIn. My team use LinkedIn. I use LinkedIn. It's a really, really powerful tool. And if you would love to know more LinkedIn strategies, in this book here, it's coming out on the 1st of April. We cover LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, and YouTube. I hope I didn't forget any of the channels we're covering in here. You can find more information about the book and how to get it on basicbananas.com/social book, and or otherwise on our homepage. You can see it on our homepage too. And if you pre-order the book before the 1st of April, we are also giving you a bonus. We're giving you access to our Instagram course, which is normally $97. You get it included in the book for free, because we love rewarding action takers. So if you want to grab a copy of the book, and if you want the Instagram course, you just need to order it before the 1st of April, and we will send you the book on the 1st of April. You will get access to the Instagram course straight away. I hope you enjoy the little gift, and thank you again for being here, and thank you for sharing the message. If you know someone who should use LinkedIn better, maybe if someone is sending you a spammy message on LinkedIn, you respond with this video in the next message, and maybe that will help them a little bit too. Why not? Share the love. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you soon. Bye.